welcome back. So we still have some light to moderate intensity snow across the region, and there is blowing snow as we look at our Regional West weather camera here in Scottsbluff. Now, high temperatures today only reached 22 degrees, and we have since fallen to 17 in Scottsbluff. 15 right now, Alliance, Bridgeport, Oshkosh, and Sydney, 14 at Kimball, and Chadron and Gordon are actually the warm spots as of right now into the upper teens out in that direction. Here's a look at the winds, and most everybody has flipped around to a northwesterly direction, but this storm is so strong that even with the northwesterly wind, we are picking up a good amount of snow. So let's take a look at the winds across the region. They are sustained between 25 and 30 miles per hour, and here's where the strongest wind gusts are. Wind gusts between, say, 40 and 45 across most of the viewing area, causing really low visibility. Still seeing about half-mile visibility from Chadron, Scottsbluff, Kimball, and Sydney through the afternoon. The I-80 corridor has been reporting zero visibility, so they went up a little. 0.88 mile visibility, so that's out toward Harrisburg, and 1 mile visibility out toward Gordon. Now, here's a look at the weather alerts across the region. All of our Nebraska counties, all the way up to the I-25 corridor, in a blizzard warning. The blizzard warning still into Wednesday at 11 p.m. and also until Wednesday at 11 p.m. when you get east of Wheatland, Chugwater, and out toward the Laramie area, winter storm warning with less wind out in that direction. But travel across the region is going to be extremely difficult to impossible, as most of the roads across the Panhandle have either been closed or impassable right now. There's the dry slot from south of Chadron to Alliance, Bridgeport, Dalton, and Sydney. There's still some snow a little south of Gordon out toward Oshkosh. Chadron's still getting some snow, but the main batch of moisture from Scottsbluff down toward Harrisburg, Kimball, and out toward Cheyenne. Now, this is the main weather maker across the country. High pressure along the East Coast and West Coast, but this system picks up moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, severe weather on the warm side of it, and a lot of wind and snow on the cool side of it, and that's what we're getting. The low just tracked off to the east of North Platte, and that is a recipe for us to get a lot of snow and wind and cold. So as we make our way through the next few hours, light to moderate intensity snow is going to continue. Now, the snow will last through the overnight and should taper off by daybreak. Tomorrow, there could be some light snow showers still around, but most of the accumulation is going to be done with over the next 6 to 12 hours. But we're still going to be dealing with lots of clouds, cool air, going to be hard to move that snow off the roads, and it'll blow around a lot because it is light and fluffy. So we could have ground blizzard conditions through the entire day on Wednesday and possibly into Thursday, because the wind is still going to be breezy to windy through the end of the week. Maybe by Thursday afternoon we get back to a few peaks of sunshine, but temperatures really not going anywhere, still into the lower 20s for highs. This is additional snowfall right now compared to or combined with what we have. So we're expecting probably another 1 to 3 inches from Scottsbluff down toward Bridgeport and south of Kimball and Sydney. But out towards Chadron and Gordon and from Harrisburg to north of Kimball, we could still pick up another 9 to 12 inches. This is going to be a monster system, especially in the northern Panhandle and south of Scottsbluff. So just keep your eyes on the weather. We will have more snow, windy conditions as we make our way through the rest of the evening, through the day tomorrow, before high pressure works its way in. Here's a look at the extended forecast. Now we're going to stay into the lower to mid-20s, windy conditions, partly to mostly cloudy skies through Thursday and Friday, mostly sunny Saturday, and then temperatures back into the upper teens and lower 20s. A dry pattern, though, as we keep partly cloudy skies Sunday through Tuesday. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. With consumers facing high inflation, cutting costs is more important than